Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 math revision chapter 1 number and numeration. Student, I hope you all have math book and you have seen the math videos uploaded on Google Classroom. If not, please see this video attentively and go through those videos also which are uploaded on Google Classroom. Let's start. Chapter 1 number and numeration. So natural number. To count objects we use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So these are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Note, 1 is the smallest natural number. Student, 1 is the smallest natural number. When we add 0 to the natural number, means 1, 2, 3, 4, then those numbers become whole numbers. So whole number, when we add 0 to the natural number or counting number, then number become whole number. Note, 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Student, when there are large numbers, it becomes difficult to determine the value of digits. When there are large numbers, it becomes difficult to determine the value of digits. So to determine the value of digits in a large number, we use number system. So to find out the value of the digits in a large number, we use number system. There are two types of number system: Indian number system, international number system. So both Indian and international numbers enumeration is divided into period, and these periods are further divided into place values. So we separate the digits of a number. We separate the digits of a number by putting the commas. So let us start from Indian system of numeration. Here I have written 75002793 students. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit number. Student, in Indian system of numeration, periods are divided into ones, thousand, lakh, crore. Ones, thousand, lakh, crore. And we write the period and the place value from the right hand side, and when we read it or write the number name, we start from the left hand side. So when we write the place value, we write from the right hand side, and when we expand the number or read the number or write the number name, we start from left hand side. So here 75002793 So this is ones period, thousand period, lakh period, crore period. So first, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In Indian system of numeration, each period has 2 digits. Each period has 2 digits except ones. In Indian system of numeration, each period has 2 digits except ones period. Ones period has 3 digits. So question can be asked that in Indian system of numeration, each period has dash digit except ones. So your answer should be 2. And listen student, an Indian system of numeration, how you put comma? You put comma according to the periods. See, once we start putting comma from the right hand side. We always put comma from the right hand side. So after ones period, means after 3, this 3, 75002793 starting from here, put comma, then put here comma, see here 2 digits. Now how we find out the place value? Place value of 4 is 1, place value of 3 is tens, place value of 9 is 100, place value of 7 is 1000, place value of 2 is 10,000, Here no digit. If there was digit, then place value of this lakh, and this digit 10 lakh. So place value of 5 crore, place value of 7 10 crore. So in this way we write the place value. Now we take some other example also. Now student, that number I have written ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. We have to find out the place value of this 5 and this 7. We have to find out the place value of this 5 and this 7, underlined number. So what we do, simply write the digit 5 and then make rest of the digit 0. 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 7, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the place value. So place value of this 5 is crore. This 7 is 1000. So if in question value is given like this in option, and you have to number is given and value is given, place value is given in this manner, you have to count the zeros and then you have to find out the which option is correct. And suppose if in option it is mentioned lakh, crore, 10 crore directly, then also you can find out by seeing the digit. What I have explained, that when you write the place value, you write the place value from the right hand side and you read it from the left hand side. So first put the place value and then you can easily find out that what is the place value of that digit. So in this manner you can solve. So in this question can be asked both the manner. Directly option, in option you can get in this manner, and you can get option by right in the lakh, 10 lakh, 1000, 10,000 in this manner, if it is in system of numeration. Now second question. Here another number is given ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So student, 60 lakh 66,751 is given, and what in question it is asked that find the period of this 6. Period of 6. So what you have to do? See, this is ones period, this is 1000 period. Period of 6 is 1000. Period of 6 is 1000. So don't be confused. So student, if number is given and it is asked that you have to expand, how you will expand? So I have written one number. Let's see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 91 lakh, 90,900. How we can expand? So whenever you are expanding, you start from the left hand side. Whenever you are expanding, you start from the left hand side, and whenever you are writing the number name, then also you will start from the left hand side. So starting from first digit from the left hand side, write that digit and make rest of the digit 0. So I have written 9 and then make 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, all we have to make 0. Now plus 1 and rest of the digit make 0. Then plus 9, rest of the digit make 0. Plus 900. Plus 9, make rest of the digit 0. If it is 0, no need to do write as it is. So in this manner we have to expand. It is very easy. once again 9, rest of the digit 0, 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 0 0 0 plus here it is 0, so no need to do anything, plus 9, what you have to do, plus 9 and 0 0 0 0. So here 9, write 9 here and then 2 0 in this manner. So this 9, rest of the digit 0, this one, rest of the digit 0, then this 9, rest of the digit 0, then this 9, 0 0. Now come to fourth question. Number name is written and we have to write in figures. 9 crore 9 lakh 9,009. So once, if you have any confusion, please first write the place value and then you convert. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So ones, tens, 100, 9, tens, 100, 0, 1000 place again 9. Write 9 here and 1 minute. So 1000 place again 9, 10,000 place nothing, here you have to write 0. Again lakh place 9, write 9 here, and here 10 lakh place it is 0, nothing, so write 0, and here crore place it is again 9. So 9 crore 9 lakh 9,009. So first you write the place value and below that place value you write the numbers. In this way you can easily write the figure of the number name. Now question number 5. 8,000 plus 800 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. 8,000 plus 800 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. You have to write in figure. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. 2 ones, 8 tens, 800, 8,000. So 8,882. This is your answer. Yes, student. Now another question. Write the number name. So here 600000010. This number is given. How we can write the number name? I have said that whatever you are doing, first write the place value. How to write the place value? We write the place value from the right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So we know that what value each digit is. So let us start. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So ones place is 0, tens place 1, 100 place 0, 1,000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, lakh place 0, 10 lakh place 0, crore place 6. So 6 crore 10. 6 crore 10. Write in numerals the smallest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore. The smallest 9-digit number. The smallest, it is 1 crore. Now 10 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The smallest 9-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore. Now 1 lakh more than how much it is? Write the place value, ones, tens, 100, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 4 lakh. So 1 lakh more than 4 lakh means we have to add 4 lakh plus 1 lakh. What it becomes? It becomes 5 lakh. Student, this is the international system of numeration. So international system of numeration, period is divided into ones, thousand, millions, billions. So ones, tens, 100. Ones period is divided into ones, tens, 100. Thousand period is divided into 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period is divided into million, 10 million, 100 million. Million period is divided into billion. Billion period is divided into billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. I have written numbers 439720571442175002794. See, here each period is divided into three digits. 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. And how we write the place value from the right hand side, and when we expand or we read or we write the number name, we start from the left hand side. 421,750,27,934. In this way we read. So whatever number is asked, you can easily find out the place value. If place value of 5 is asked, you can easily say that it is 10 million. What else you can do? You can write 5 and make rest of the digit 0. You will get your place value. Suppose I have to find out the place value of 5. I have written 5 and rest of the digit 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Comma 3, 3. So in this manner you can write the place value. And if it is mentioned that 10 million, then also you can easily find out. You put the place value and then you can easily get your answer. So in this way you find out the place value. And now face value. Face value of a digit remains same. It does not change. So either it is Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration, face value remains same. There is no change in face value. So chapter 1, number and numeration, division, part first completed. Thank you.